Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. When having a website and having some text element in there, I notice very often that you get a sort of padding randomly around those texts on the top and at the bottom mainly. And this has been annoying me for quite some time, but today I got a solution. Let's fix that and jump into bricks. As usual, section 20 for the 20th of December. And here we have our text. And as you can see here, we have a little bit of padding here on top and here at the bottom as well. It is really minimal here, but you're gonna see the change. It's pretty cool. So let's just go straight into the CSS tab, and under our root selector, we're just gonna put text box column and set that to auto. And here we go. And if we just take it out, you can see, put it back, you can see the difference. Pretty small and subtle change, but it really makes a difference when it comes to wanting to align everything perfectly. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be very happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Tricks for Bricks. And as usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!